expanding perspectives in life, embracing beings, beliefs, cultures, and the universe. As we navigate through the labyrinth of life, the vast sky above signals the grandeur of the infinite universe. At every step, we encounter life in all its forms: humans, animals, plants, and other aspects of nature. Yet, how do we wisely approach this diversity? Welcome, fellow seekers of wisdom, to our journey on how to cultivate a mind capable of embracing the vastness of life, creatures, beliefs, culture, and the universe through the lens of Stoic philosophy. Join us on this transformative path towards greater understanding and inner peace. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and activate notifications to stay tuned for more enlightening content. Stoic philosophy offers a profound, yet simple perspective. It teaches us to broaden our horizon, transcending self-imposed limits and daily concerns towards a broader view of existence. Firstly, let's consider the beings around us. In their diversity, there lies invaluable wisdom. A bird gracefully dancing in the sky, or a sturdy tree standing tall amidst a storm teaches us about the beauty of serenity and resilience. From here, we learn to appreciate every form of life as an integral part of the same universe. Each creature, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, contributes to the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. Observing the intricate patterns of a spider's web or of the synchronized flight of a flock of birds reveals the elegance of nature's design and the importance of cooperation and harmony. Every encounter with the natural world offers an opportunity for growth and understanding. As we immerse ourselves in the wonders of the world around us, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things and the need to nurture and protect our planet for generations to come. Each creature, no matter how seemingly insignificant, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems worldwide. From pollinating plants to decomposing organic matter, each species fulfills a niche that supports the overall health of the environment. The diversity of life on Earth is not only a source of wonder, but also a testament to the resilience and adaptability of living organisms. As stewards of this planet, it is our responsibility to act with compassion and foresight, ensuring that future generations inherit a world teeming with biodiversity and natural beauty. By embracing sustainable practices and fostering a culture of conservation, we can safeguard the rich tapestry of life on Earth for centuries to come. Secondly, let's explore beliefs and cultures that adorn our world. Stoicism teaches us to respect differences and seek commonalities among this diversity. Within different beliefs and cultures, there lies a common core, the desire to live meaningfully and peacefully. By embracing differences, we can enrich our understanding of the world and enhance tolerance and empathy towards others. In embracing the vast tapestry of beliefs and cultures that adorn our world, Stoicism offers a profound perspective. It encourages us to not only acknowledge, but also respect the rich diversity that exists among human societies. Stoicism teaches us to seek common ground amid this diversity, recognizing that beneath the surface, there often lies a shared longing for meaning and peace. Regardless of the specific traditions or philosophies that shape our individual identities, the fundamental human desire for a meaningful and harmonious existence unites us all. Whether through faith, philosophy, or cultural practices, people around the globe seek guidance on how to navigate life's complexities with purpose and tranquility. By embracing differences and actively engaging with diverse perspectives, we can expand our understanding of the world and cultivate greater tolerance and empathy towards others. Rather than viewing cultural or ideological differences as barriers, Stoicism invites us to approach them as opportunities for growth and mutual enrichment. In a world where divisions often dominate discourse, the Stoic approach offers a powerful antidote. It reminds us that while our beliefs and cultural backgrounds may vary, our shared humanity transcends these differences. Through open-mindedness, compassion, and a commitment to seeking common ground, we can foster a more inclusive and harmonious global community. Lastly, let's reflect on the universe as a whole. In the grandeur of the sky and the infinite stars, we realize how small our role is in this vast cosmic order. Yet, we also realize that we have a responsibility to preserve the harmony of this universe. Contemplating the universe as a whole is a humbling experience, one that invites us to ponder our place within its vast expanse. Amidst the grandeur of the sky and the countless stars that adorn it, we are reminded of the insignificance of our individual existence, and yet, paradoxically, this realization also underscores the profound responsibility we bear as stewards of this cosmic order. In the tapestry of creation, each of us occupies a minuscule fragment, a fleeting moment in the cosmic symphony. Yet, despite our apparent insignificance, we are endowed with consciousness, with the ability to contemplate and appreciate the wonders of the universe that surrounds us. This awareness brings with it a weighty obligation, the duty to safeguard the harmony and balance of the cosmos. Just as a single discordant note can disrupt a melody, our actions, too, can have far-reaching consequences, rippling across the fabric of existence. In our quest for progress and advancement, we must not lose sight of our interconnectedness with the cosmos. Every decision we make, every choice we enact, reverberates throughout the universe, shaping its destiny in ways both seen and unseen. As inhabitants of this pale blue dot, suspended in the vastness of space, we are entrusted with the care of our home planet, with the preservation of its delicate ecosystems and the diversity of life it sustains. But our responsibility extends beyond the confines of Earth. It encompasses the entirety of the cosmos, with all its wonders and mysteries. To honor this responsibility is to embrace humility and awe in the face of the infinite. It is to recognize that our individual actions, however small they may seem, have the power to shape the course of cosmic evolution. In the grandeur of the universe, let us find inspiration to transcend our petty conflicts and divisions, to unite in a shared vision of stewardship and coexistence, for in the vastness of space, we are but specks of dust adrift in the cosmic wind, yet, in our unity, we possess the potential to ignite the stars themselves. By thinking expansively, we not only enrich our understanding of life, beings, beliefs, cultures, and the universe, but also open doors to personal growth and deeper well-being. In Stoic wisdom, we find a balance between diversity and unity, laying the foundation for a meaningful and compassionate life. By embracing a mindset of expansiveness, we invite a broader perspective into our lives, allowing us to appreciate the richness of diversity, while recognizing the interconnectedness of all things. Stoic philosophy offers invaluable insights into navigating this delicate balance between diversity and unity. Stoicism teaches us to cultivate an attitude of acceptance towards the diverse array of experiences and people we encounter, recognizing that each individual contributes to the tapestry of existence in their own unique way. At the same time, Stoic principles emphasize the importance of recognizing our shared humanity and the interconnectedness of all living beings. By acknowledging our commonality with others, we foster empathy and compassion, essential ingredients for a meaningful and fulfilling life. Stoicism encourages us to embrace our role as part of a larger whole, reminding us that our actions ripple outwards, impacting not only ourselves, but also the world around us. In this way, Stoic wisdom provides a framework for living in harmony with the complexities of existence, celebrating diversity, while honoring the underlying unity that binds us all together. By integrating these principles into our daily lives, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace and fulfillment, grounded in an understanding of our place in the vast tapestry of the universe.